Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this 2022 AT4 GMC 2500. Show you some of the things we did to this. This truck is going to be up for sale at Liberty GMC here in Peoria. But we color matched this. This was black on the AT4. And then this was black as well. These were like a gunmetal gray, and we painted those black. And then this was like a different shade of gray, and we painted that as black as well. So now it really kind of has some definition to it. The rest of the front of the truck was all kind of left the same. The buckets were left original. The tow hooks were left original. This has our Westcott Designs lift in it. This is our torsion key kit that we offer for this truck. Basically, I'll stand back here, and we only had to do a leveling kit on this to get 37s on it. But this also has our fender liner pullback kit in it as well. So I'll show you what we did to accommodate this. We did here, we trimmed the mud flap. It used to actually hang down much lower. You can see back in here, we've tucked the liner back with our liner kit that we make for this. So we're able to tuck the liner back and get it pulled far away so it doesn't rub the edging of the tire here when turning. We trimmed the mud flap here as well. We just pull the whole thing off and do that. Put our bracket kit in behind there, bolts into the factory locations, uses factory holes. Up here, we use the factory bracket that's already back there. It's actually aluminum, and we're able to arch it and bend it just the way we want it to clear for the tire. On the side again, down here in the front, they had another lower air dam here. We removed that, and then we've cleaned all the screw locations on the back side of that off so you can't see when you're looking into the fenders. And then we come in here and we trim this so it looks like it's somewhat factory, just super clean. And when we remove that front air dam, it gives that perception that you have more ground clearance in the front of the truck just by removing that. And you are increasing the ground clearance for sure, but when you look at it from the front, it looks like the truck is taller than what it was just from removing that part. We left the factory steps on this. We painted the buckets here. The buckets used to be black, and then we painted the bottom part underneath the step white, left the step black, and then really to kind of tie that in and make it look really clean on the side of the vehicle where it doesn't draw your attention to your eye. We painted all the fender flares on it white. They were black. We smoked out all the lenses over the tops of the fenders just to really make those look really clean. And they really kind of don't draw to your attention anymore. It's not like, hey, look at me, I'm orange, or hey, look at me, I'm red. So, and then the taillights, this is factory smoke on these. We wanted to just not have to touch these. And the other thing was with them is they looked smoked, but not too dark, not where it would attract attention with the police to pull this vehicle over because the lights are too dark. We did the buckets in here, painted those all white. Those were all black. So when I stand back here, it doesn't draw to your attention on that as well. We ended up doing a set of fuels with a +1 offset. And these fuels right here are 20-inch, 20 by 9 with a +1. And we're running a 37, 12.5 by 20 on this. And you can see it fills the wheel well up nicely. The whole truck came out really, really good. Just simple stuff. Wasn't expensive, but really changes the look of this truck and just makes it super clean. And when someone drives something like this, it drives like factory. One of the other things we did is we did a set of Camberg upper arms, you can see here, and then we did a set of Fox 2.0s with the resis in the front. See if we can see them in the back as well. Set of Fox 2.0s in the rear as well. But they're simple, they work well, they really help to slow down the rate of the weight of the truck over bumps. The factory Rancho shocks, we don't feel work very well. They kind of do their job, but they really make the truck ride bumpy. And then switching over to shocks like this, Doesn't break the bank, but rides really, really nice. We do a lot of the King 2.5s on these, and they work really, really well. So wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys enjoy this truck. If you have any questions on the 2500 and 3500 trucks, we'd love to answer those for you. Thanks so much for watching.